From AAAFx, this is Chris taking a look at the euro. The euro has been all over the place during the session on Wednesday. Not a huge surprise because we had the ISM manufacturing PMI numbers. We also had the Federal Reserve meeting minutes, and that is a major influence on where we go next as well. After that, we're going to get the jobs number on Friday, so Thursday might be a bit of a wash. We may be relatively quiet on Thursday, maybe stabilizing a bit above the 50-day EMA. As things stand right now, I do think the 50-day EMA probably offers a little bit of support. If we can turn around and take out the 1.10 level, though, I think we could go looking towards the highs again, maybe even 112.5. If we take out the 50-day EMA underneath, then we could go looking towards the 200-day EMA. That being said, a lot of this I anticipate will be looked at through the prism of profit taking. Traders are still expecting the Federal Reserve to loosen monetary policy in 2024. The question, of course, is, will the Europeans? I think the Europeans will have to. But that's not something that we've gotten wind of from the central bank itself yet. So I think there is still some hopium out there that the euro will turn things around. How long that lasts, we'll have to wait and see. But clearly, we're setting up for a very volatile year. This latest sell-off, I think, more or less, is probably just some profit taking, some overextension being worked out of the system.
AAAFx.